What's up, guys? It's June 10th, 2024. Had a nice day. I did all right. I caught this leg, caught that, and I had to fix a bad trade here, so I called it. I wanted to talk about I was pretty bullish today because of the 45-minute chart. 45-minute chart, we've been trending above the trend line we had a touch right here. So that's 24 bars, and then prior to that was 8 bars. So no body close, so let's count body closes. So this was the last time Bears got a body close. So 40 bars before Bears closed below the EMA. So that's a body gap. That's what I'm trying to say. There's a gap here. So I thought Bulls would close it, and they did. They came up to the trend line here, the high of this candle with that candle. I'm just fixing my chair. Okay, so that's the context I was thinking about for today. This green line is that green line. This is the 45-minute chart. This is the hourly chart. Everything is the E-mini. I only trade the E-mini. Yesterday's price action, we had a big up, spike, deep pullback, a bull channel that created a wedge top. And then we sold off for 2 legs, 3 legs, depending how you want to count it. Give me 2 seconds here. I'm just waiting for this pen to load. Okay, there we go. So what I mean by that is leg 1, deep pullback, leg 2, leg 3, leg 1, pullback, leg 2, leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Gap down into yesterday's low. That's today's open. Gap down, bar 1 is continuation, but it's a range bar. And this tail, I think, is letting us know that there are buyers close by. If you think about it, we are right above support, so this tail will line up for buyers being right here. Bar 2 looks like it's continuation, but it's bad. It doesn't close below bar 1, so it's an inside bar actually. Bar 3 is a pullback. Bar 4 is its second leg, so leg 1, pullback leg 2. Bottom of a range, second leg trap. I don't think it's good to go short anywhere here. If you do, you gotta scalp out quickly, especially when you start to see 5 and 6. 5 and 6 are strong bull bars, and what I mean by that is the bull leg starts here. Good close. We close above bar 4. Bears that get short on bar 4 are trapped with bar 5. Bar 6, bar 7, bar 8 are good follow through. It's a buy the close rally. But I set this out because we're below the EMA, and at this point in time, is it a buy the close rally or is it some sort of leg in a trading range? We don't really know. Buy the close rally. Bar 9 becomes a pullback for the buy the close rally. I think this is strong enough to get a second leg. More buyers than sellers below bar 9, so bears aren't shorting lows. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3, and we start to break out above the EMA. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. So here this ends up being a bull flag. I bought bar 12 and I bought bar 19, and then I let it ride till here. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. This is a trend channel line. The bars are getting steeper, bars are getting cleaner. We're breaking above the EMA. It's really important to be careful when the EMA starts to line up. The market can go rain bound and it gets choppy. That's why I was pretty hesitant to keep trading today, because I think we had a range day here. Oh, today's an inside bar on the daily. That's breakout mode. That's scary. And we have FOMC coming up, so we gotta think about that. I'm not gonna trade. I think I'm not gonna trade on Wednesday. I'm gonna be taking it easy today or tomorrow and just kind of coast into Thursday, Friday, because I'm over it. FOMC is not that important. The price action is important, but trading it specifically is not that important. So we're breaking out above the EMA. Opposite bars are legs. 16, 17, 18, and 19. We start to get bars above the EMA. Bar 21, bulls go for the breakout, but it reverses. You get short here thinking we're going to collapse, wedge top. Ask yourself what the context is and what type of bar this is, and look at the close of this. I did think it was a 2-bar reversal. Maybe we go sideways, but look at the close of 21. It's not the best close, and then 22 is bad follow through. It's a higher low in a bull trend, breaking out above the higher time frame EMA. I think it's safe to get out shorts here. Buy the close rally, breakout, pull back. Bar 26 breaks this, so that's a trend line break. It's a bull flag, and it starts to leg 2. Pull back leg 3. This is climactic price action. Bar 30 is a deep pullback. It's a 2-bar reversal. Bears are trying to get the reversal. The market goes for another few legs higher, like 1, pullback, like 2, pullback, like 3. This is a wedge top here. There's a wedge top here. And they haven't really touched the EMA for about how many bars? About 25 bars. It's a sloppy, it's a weak 25, but 25 bars nonetheless. Bulls have been trading. Bulls have time control above the EMA. And then we get 2-legged pullback. I'm about to cough. Give me 2 seconds. Okay. Do 2-legged pullback, like 1, pullback, like 2, pullback, like 3. So that's a 3-legged pullback, which is so wedge bottom. Because this is the opposite bar, so that's a pullback. So like 1, pullback, like 2, pullback, like 3 into the EMA, double bottom in a bull trend. This market is more range bound though. About 51 breakout above the EMA after a lot of bullish pressure, pullback, kind of a double bottom breakout. Good for a scalp, very climactic, no follow through. Bears get aggressive selling. This is where I got trapped. I bought the low here. I bought the low of 57. I bought the low of 56, 57. But the low, I was aiming for the 50% level of that bar. So I bought the 50% level of bar 52, right around here. And what I was hoping for was a test like that. And then I know I didn't buy this bar because I sat through this tail and it rallied. I thought it was good and it dumped on me. I did panic a little bit, but then I saw this close and this close, and we were right above support. We weren't breaking the below 51. So I bought more here and I got out here for a point, and then that was my day. I was like, you know what? I'm up on the day. I got a swing, I got a scalp, and I got a break even trade. So that's pretty much all 3 type of trades on the day. And what sucks is I forgot to press record on OBS, so I missed all of them. But now I'm thinking about it, that was a pretty cool day. I had a trend, a scalp, and a break even event here. And market goes range bound. You could trade this buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, like 1, pull back like 2, pull back like 3, parabolic wedge top, range highs. This is also a new high. Every new high we've gone sideways. So, and this new high is not as deep as this new high. What do I mean by that? So see here, new high. Let me extend. But this is not the same depth. This depth is like that. That's the way to measure if the trend is strong or weak. So it was stronger here, then it got weaker, and then look here, it actually was a negative. So yeah, that's not that this was not representation of me showing sellers. This was me measuring these gaps, just so everyone knows. So about 10 minutes. We went over the higher time frames, we went over the lower time frame, lower time frame. Appreciate all the comments you guys are dropping. I'm glad the videos are helping you guys out. I read all the comments. I reply to them. Yeah, I reply to them as fast as I can. I know we're all in different time zones. That's why I drop these at 12 o'clock at night now. So I appreciate it. Keep dropping comments. Ask me questions. Let me know how you guys are doing. What markets are you trading if you're not trading the E-mini? Have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you later. Thank you for the support. Bye.